Hey folks, this is Billy from Dankless Wargaming, and we're here in Knox, Indiana at Vorpal Gaming for the 40K doubles tournament. Let's go inside and check it out. Hey folks, I'm here with Blake and Keegan. They're representing the team today at the Vorpal doubles tournament. So guys, how'd round one go?
It was pretty good. Came close. We only lost by 5. It was more of the time and trying to get ourselves up and moving, and a lot of it deep striking coming in out of nowhere on us.
And charging, locking me out.
That too.
So what were you guys running?
I was running Tau, and
I was running Agmat.
And what do you guys face?
we fought Blood Angels and Space Wolves.
I can see where getting locked out of combat would be an issue for you guys, especially against those lists.
Yeah.
Alright, well good luck in the next round, guys, and good luck on finishing as high as you can for the rest of the tournament. I'm here with Larry, he's also representing the team today. And how did your side of things go?
My personal side of things went very poorly. I believe I missed every charge. I didn't do anything in shooting, and the one psychic ability I went off almost peril stopped. However, my teammate did very well, made it into combat against several units. Shooting, not our strong point, being Blood Angels and Space Wolves, but overall did pretty well.
Alright, very good. Well, good luck in your next round.
Yep.
Hey folks, I'm back with Blake and Keegan after their round 2 matchup. How did that go, boys?
It was okay. More on the losing side. The deployment kind of got to us maybe more than we thought we did. And then some bad rolls, and then Tau charging when they shouldn't.
That's your experience, Keegan?
Yeah, that's pretty much my experience. Besides, I made a risky charge with my Dominus.
Victor Warsuit?
Yeah. And I fought it. He fought back. My Dominus passed all his rolls to save. And then I fought again with him, and I got him off the field.
There you go. That's so good. Dominus always seem to do more than what they appear on paper whenever I play.
Assuming this is for painted. I thought that was a big advantage for me. I mean, achievement for me. So.
Good. Well, good luck. Hopefully you get to win here in the last round.
Yep.
So guys, how'd your round 3 go?
Pretty well. I don't know, Brian. You tell me how'd your round 3 go?
How'd it go, bro?
We got tabled, but we fought the good fight, stuck it out, walked away with as many points as we could fill our pockets with, and
We did
got
get
blasted
shoot
off the table a lot.
We did get to shoot 3 units of Immortals off the table.
Yes,
That was
yes,
fun.
we did get to end a Mortals day. no comeback seats for them.
What would you say your VIP unit was?
Leviathan Dreadnought.
Ours were the Arcs.
I think they are.
Arcs.
Yeah, Arcs are pretty killer.
As a Space Marine player, I'd say Leviathan Dreadnought.
Yeah, Leviathans, they need to get nerfed.
They do. Hey, well, they do. Well,
You can half damage.
don't nerf the strat. Don't nerf them.
And Mike, this is your first tournament, right?
Yes, sir.
You gonna come back?
Oh, absolutely. It was a lot of fun.
All right, well, thank you, Mike, Brian, Justin, and Joey, for coming and joining our tournament. Hey, folks, we're here with Joseph and Aaron, our champions. So, folks, how did you get through these 3 rounds today?
You want to start us off, game 1?
Who did we play game 1? Oh, we played a couple of cool guys that ran a bunch of dreadnoughts. And
So yeah, they were playing Blood Angels and Ultramarines. They matched us. They had the 2 Leviathans. Unfortunately, the Iron Hands Leviathans stand out a little bit stronger than the Ultramarines and Blood Angels, and we were just able to chip away at them that game. Game 2 was pretty killer.
yeah, game 2 was tough.
Game 2 was tough.
We had 4 of the Necron flyers with 2 of them had strength 8. D6 damage cannons, and 2 of them had strength 10. And because of the way the board was laid out, the strength 10 guys didn't even have to move. They just kind of had range supremacy, so we had to take that on the chops every turn. That was super fun. We did a lot of half damage. Oh, we did a lot of pushing wounds from character Leviathan dreadnoughts to intercessors. That worked really well.
Well, we also lucked out. I mean, a lot of that Necron shooting is D6 shooting, and they were rolling 2s and 3s for that. And then I really couldn't fail a 5-up or a 6-up film in pain. And so we had a pretty hot turn 1 compared to them. Turn 2 was a little back and forth, and turn 3 we started to pull away. And then the game we just played, Space Wolves final table, which was awesome to play against, and with Blood Angels. And yeah, some deep strike in Sanguine Guard, deep strike in what are they called? The guys in black.
Death Company.
Death Company, and you know, just trying to weather that assault and while keeping our shape, and we managed to do that. And yeah, here we are.
All right, well, thank you guys for coming, and congratulations on winning.
Thanks so much.
Hey folks, it's Bailey and Chris here from Vorpal Gaming and Dankless Wargaming. We're here to give out the awards for the Vorpal 40K doubles. Our first award is 3rd place, and this is going to go to Jacob and Larry.
Yay.
Come on! You thought you were going to get out of the video, but I got you in.
Get over here, Larry. You don't need to press the button again.
Right. There you go. And you can take this one to Larry, and that one to Larry too, because he's running the camera. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
In 2nd place, we have Justin and Joey.
Yeah.
Congratulations, gentlemen. Doctor. And these are for you.
Turn the camera, we get you guys' faces in there.
Oh yeah, you guys go look at the camera. All right, thank you very much for coming. All right, in 1st place, we have Aaron and Joseph. Very good. And we got the Golden Space Marines. Just so you know, Joseph, Aaron has his previous one in his shower. So we expect to find yours in a funny place in a video, or at least a picture.
I can do better in the shower for sure.
Very good.
Okay.
There we go. Thank you very much for coming. Congratulations. Next are community voted awards. These are last but not least. And for painting, we have the Necron army. So whichever one of Justin and Joey painted the Necrons, which they both did, congratulations. Thank you. That's for you as well. All right. And finally, even though it's sort of tentative, but we're going to go with it so we can wrap up the video and send people home. Going for the 3-peat, it is Brian.
Hat trick! Yeah!
Very good. We don't have the skull this time.
Hey, that's cool. I'll take
Good
it.
job, buddy.
Thanks.
Yep. I can get you a
Alright,
skull
folks.
though.
Hey,
You like
I'll
this
take it when
video?
you got it.
Take me some time, but yeah.
Alright, cool, man.
Well, folks, that's it for us here at Vorpal Gaming. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. Please check out the description for more about Vorpal Gaming and Dinkless Wargaming. Until next time, I'm Bailey. This is Chris. We'd like to remind you, if your lists start to tank, then it's time to get dank.